I aired up the tires, got me one of those manual air pumps, the old school style. But the problem with that is, man, remember back in the day when you got them, it had a metal fitting to put over the stem, valve stem of the tire? No, it's all plastic now. But with that being said, it doesn't feel too bad. Gotta lower the seat a little bit. And yeah, I don't think this seat's very comfortable. Yeah, I don't think this seat's very comfortable, man. Whoops. Yeah, I'm adjusting the seat. I know you can't see me and I apologize. But it is what it is. Let's try it here. This is a lot better. The seat, not that great. I think everybody was 100,000,000% right. The seat's not very comfortable, man. Just got back. I only wanted to take it for a ride because I filled up. I got this pump here, has a gauge on it. You know what I was talking about? Remember the fitting was usually metal? Now it's plastic. And you gotta adjust the fitting around the valve itself by loosening this up and then tighten it. You know, making something that's easy and making it complicated. I don't know. Yeah, like everybody was saying about the seat, you're right. The seat right here, it's not very comfortable. So that's on my to-do list. Get a seat. And the front wheel wobbles a little bit. Now, last night, I checked all the nuts and bolts on to make sure they were tight, and they were. So I don't know. Maybe something happened during the shipment, or maybe something. I don't know. Because I'm pretty sure they're supposed to QA them before they leave the factory. I have no idea. But some days I'll walk, and hopefully I'll slowly get up to like jogging. Not running, come on now. I'm 62 years old. I'm pretty limited. I don't think I'll run. But jogging, and then, once in a while, or like every other day or whatever, I'll use this. But I gotta get a seat, man. That seat's so uncomfortable. Yeah. It was fast. Jay, my grandson, he has a BMX with hopefully a better spot. It is a lot bigger seat than that one on there. But yeah, he said we could swap it out, but I need to either get a pair of adjustable wrench or a pair of vice grips. And I can't find the owner of that adjustable wrench or vice grips. So I'm at a standstill right now. Yeah, I gotta switch that seat out, man. It's just too honest. That's the widest part of this seat. This is my hand. It's not very big, man. But let me get something that's realistic. I don't know, but you get the point. Yeah, I can't. I took it out for that spin. I was only on it, for a minute or two. It was like, nah, this ain't gonna work. So that's what I'm waiting on now. The owner of the vice grips or adjustable wrench to show up. So I say, hey, can I borrow the above? We'll see. My grandson has a BMX. He hasn't used in a while. And I asked him, can I trade out seats? And he's like, I don't care. So this one, it's got a lot more padding on it. That's what I don't understand on a mountain bike. The seat that came with this, I blame myself. I should have looked at it before I purchased it, okay? Had like next to, it seemed like a racing seat for like a 10-speed, you know, the one with the curled handlebars, because, you know, they want to be sleek, I guess. But, yeah, you be mountain biking and you hit something and you come down hard on that seat, whether you're a male or female, it's going to hurt your butt. Well, anyway, that's beside the point. Yeah, and I traded them out for this one. It's not much, it's a little bit wider, but it's got more padding. All right. That other one, I already put it on the bike because I said, hey, I'll switch it out with you. And he says, I don't care. So that's what I did. Couple minutes, I'll take it out for a little ride. It's like buying a car, man. I'll take it out for a little ride and see how it feels. Yeah, I'm too old for that. Ooh. Because imagine, man, that's what I don't understand. On a mountain bike, a seat like that had no cushioning on the seat. I mean, you hit something or you jump something, you come down hard, and you flop on that seat, you're going to be hurting. Male or female, you're going to be hurt. So I'll take it out for a little bit, in a couple minutes. Seat's a lot better. Not as hurtful, you know. Let me do something real quick. Lower the seat just a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Let's try it here. Make sure the seat is straight. Yeah, this is a lot better. Oh yeah. It's not the best, but it's not like it was. Oh. Ah, man. Yeah, the gearing's a little off. Seat's a lot comfortable. Could be improved, but you make it up this hill. Yeah, I'm sucking a lot of air at that hill. I got a car coming. That was nice of him. Doesn't seem like it, but it is a pretty steep hill. The brakes need a little adjustment. This front wheel though, it's really bothering me. Kind of wobbly. Not excessively, but it's still wobbling. It shouldn't wobble. It's got a slight in it, you know. And I know from the past, it's all in the spokes. I ain't messing with these spokes though. No. I know people say, oh, it's easy. Yeah, okay. I'm not a spoke expert. But I figured they'd do that in the factory, you know, or the plant where they build it, put this together. Now everything's pretty well, I don't know. This is my understanding 8-speed. It's got one small sprocket in the front and 8 in the back. Yeah, this seat's a lot better, man. Could be better, but it's a lot better. I can't complain though. It was free, you know. It was a swap. Yeah, these hills got me breathing heavy. I'll tell you that. Just shows how out of shape I am. Kind of bothers me, you know. That's why I tell people, truck driving is not the most healthiest profession you can get into. Now those guys, I know they used to carry weights and stuff like that in the back of the trucks in the under compartment, but you can only put so many. That doesn't take care of the cardio, you know, which really matters is just sitting your ass on a seat all day long. But I mean, it ain't bad. I just don't like them brakes. I don't know if you can hear them. I haven't fallen off yet, so I guess I ain't doing too bad, huh? All right, let me take it back in the house. Oops, the pant leg got caught on the seat. That's not a good thing.